The early morning committed a suicide. Regarding this issue, his brother has given a complaint in Marthali police station, stating that there are multiple cases running on him in Uttar Pradesh. The family members of his wife and relatives demanded money for settling these issues. So they harassed him. For that reason, he has committed suicide. He has given a statement. Based on that, we have registered a abatement for suicide under 108 of PNS. In Marthali PS, investigation is in.
So, did you speak to the family members of the Nikita or any?
The investigation officer, the family members, the deceased brother has been given a detailed statement. So we are sending a team to.
And what about the accused? Have you contacted them on phone or you're?
Right now, we have not contacted them.
So,
there is one video also in that case. Are you also taking it in consideration because that is on social media and probably
everything will be part of investigation. Even there is death note and video statement. Will in detail will conduct.
Will it be considered as a dying declaration, sir? Because he immediately after it says that he has committed
Only
suicide.
after investigation will let you.
and son, which team is going to Uttar Pradesh?
So Marthali inspector and their team are on it, and our PSI is.
They will question them there, or what is the procedure, sir?
Definitely, in detail will let you know all the details after our investigation.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.